Hello guys, welcome. We are going to be finishing off our unit with systems and graphing. So what we're going to be doing next week is we're going to be taking a quiz. So I'm going to give you a review sheet and you're going to do the review sheet, and then I'm going to have a quiz on its learning that asks you questions from the review sheet. So you'll have to have the review sheet completed to answer the questions on its learning. So you'll complete the review sheet. Again, if you don't have a printer, then just write out the answers. I would suggest, though, that you have graph paper. So please get some graph paper if you don't have any, especially if you don't have a printer either, okay? So you'll need some graph paper. Also, we'll have all the assignments that I assigned you last week. I'm going to give you the answer keys for them so you can also study. And then the following week, we'll go over the quiz. I'll give you the answers for the quiz. We'll see how you did. And then we will have our test on systems and graphing next week. And we probably also will get into our next unit, which will be functions. All right? So we'll be getting into our next test in 2 weeks. We'll have our quiz this coming week, and I'll have all the information on there on Sunday. And I'll also be having a help session sometime in the middle of next week. So just be on the lookout for it. Again, if you don't realize now, I do have some face-to-face classes, so I have to work around that. So that's why my help sessions are kind of a little all over the place. They're usually in the morning, okay? And again, please reach out to me if you have any questions. A lot of you guys have been reaching out, asking some questions about this and that. And don't be shy about asking any questions you may have, okay? All right, good luck and enjoy your weekend.